Are you curious about penis pumps but don't know where to start? You're in the right place, because I'm going to give you 3 simple beginner tips on how you can explore penis pumps. In case you're new here, hi, I am the multi-award winning pleasure educator, Patricia. I am your guide to inspire and empower you to unlock, widen and deepen your ultimate peak pleasure potential the pleasure-lit way. But first things first, what are penis pumps? So basically a pleasure toy device that's going to create a vacuum around the penis to increase blood flow, to provide more engorgement, which can provide a temporary enlargement and bigger sizing and enhancing sensitivity. So some people use them for pleasure as pleasure pumps, others use them for erection support or even as a stamina training. My tip number 1 to exploring penis pumps is choosing the right device. So not all the pumps are created equally. There are some that are manual, automatic, or they use water as a base to provide that pumping sensation. So it's about tuning in with yourself and exploring what kind of device and pump would you like to explore. My tip number 2 to exploring penis pumps is lubrication. Use a water-based lube with it. This can really provide a better seal around it, make it also more comfortable. My tip number 3 is start small and build up gradually. You want to start with low pressure, and also don't make the sessions too long. You want to avoid the overuse. Get to know the device and read the manual and go by what is instructed. Now, if all of this got you curious and you would like to explore penis pumps a little bit more in detail and depth, and also find out which ones I can recommend, then I invite you to go to pleasurelit.com, or you can go to pleasuretoyqueen.com. On my website, you will be able to access an online course called Pleasure with Toys, to access my masterclass on penis pumps. On there, you will also find a link on my personal favorites and recommended pumps for you to explore this beautiful pleasure. Happy pumping! With love and pleasure.